Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and in this video I have such an awesome box to unbox. This is a brow subscription box. Yes, that exists. Like, for someone like me who is absolutely obsessed with filling in my brows, I am mind blown over this. So this is the brow box. And if you're familiar with me, if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I absolutely love filling in my brows. Ever since I started doing it a few years ago at this point, I just am obsessed with it. I cannot go without my brows filled in. And the fact that there is a subscription box about filling in your brows, I can't even contain my excitement. And I absolutely cannot wait to see what I got in this. So the brow box is a bi-monthly brow beauty subscription box uniquely for eyebrow lovers. I'm so excited. That is so me. So like I said, it's bi-monthly. It comes every other month. So the next box that's shipping out is the February box. I think I have the box before the February box, but we're gonna find out. But so you order this on Cratejoy. So cratejoy.com is an amazing website with every subscription box pretty much that you could ever want. And it costs $29.54, and you choose your shade, like blonde, taupe, dark brown, charcoal, auburn. And then you choose if you want pencil or powder. And each box comes with your eyebrow makeup replenishments, eyebrow keepsakes and goodies, and then featured products from the company that is chosen for that box. So without further ado, let's see what's in this box. And I do want to give the disclaimer that this was sent to me for free from BrowBox. So thank you so much to them for sending this to me. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so let's see what we've got. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this here. And this is from the brand Crayon, which I'm not familiar with this brand. So I love trying out new makeup brands. And this is the Liquid Eyebrow Pen, 24-hour waterproof. I have the shade number 1. So I'm going to be doing full dedicated review videos on the products that I got. I was thinking I could do like a try on with my unboxing, but I wasn't sure what I was even going to get. But so this is awesome. I don't think I've ever tried out a liquid eyebrow pen. This will be so fun. I love trying out eyebrow products, and to try out a different type of eyebrow product than I've tried before is just like one of the most exciting things for me. So yay! And then I also see, oh perfect, some spoolies. Oh, and these are really cute. Oh my gosh, they're like purple sparkly. I cannot do my brows without a spoolie. So this is awesome because sometimes your brow pencils, your brow products don't have a spoolie. So this is so essential for doing my brows. And spoolies get really nasty after a little while because they get filled with the product. And I've tried washing a spoolie before and it does not work. So I love that you get replenished with spoolies in each box. So I have 3 spoolies here. And then I have here, oh my gosh, this is an eyebrow keychain. That is so funny. Definitely for the eyebrow lovers like me. I am definitely someone that would have an eyebrow keychain. That's so funny. I love that this even exists. I love that this box exists. Like, I thought I was like obsessed with eyebrows, but the fact that there is a brow subscription just makes me feel like I'm not alone. Gosh, I feel like there's so much in here and it's so beautifully packaged. Oh, yes, this is the holiday box because I remember seeing, so this is a Frida ornament. How cute. It says, "We go together like Frida Kahlo's eyebrows." Oh my gosh. Oh, so then we have here from the brand Eden Eyebrows. This is Brow Shadow. that I got in the shade 10 Sandy Blonde. Ooh, looks like a great match. Have I ever used a brow shadow? I'm not even sure that I have. Oh my gosh, I am just so excited to try out all these different brow products. Here I am saying that I'm a brow lover, but all of the products that I'm pulling out are products I haven't even tried before, but that's why this box is so awesome. Here's another product. This is also from the brand Eden Eyebrows. This is a Skinny Brow Pencil Crayon that I got in the shade Taupe. Now I love a skinny brow pencil, and Taupe is my shade. I did tell them that. Ooh, very nice. Yes, the twist up, skinny brow pencil. This is a classic. I love that. Spoolie on the other end. Perfect. So excited to try that out. And then, oh my gosh, I think this is a T-shirt. Did I get an eyebrow T-shirt? Ooh, this is a really nice soft shirt. Oh, and it's a long sleeve shirt. I love that. This is really nice. It says, what does it say? Frida, Goddess Within. Oh my gosh, Frida, Goddess Within. With the little unibrow. And it says Eden on the back, so like the Eden Eyebrow Company. Oh my gosh, I'm actually really excited about this shirt. It's so funny. It seems like a really nice shirt. I am definitely gonna be wearing this. You'll probably see it in some videos. Oh my gosh, well I am so excited about this box. I feel like it just made me so happy, and I'm so excited to try out these brow products. I bet they're gonna be really good if they came in a brow box. And then just the fun accessories just made me laugh, and they're just so cute. So wow, awesome box for around, let's say $30 for all these products. That is a lot of value and so worth it to me. I'll do a quick recap of everything I got. So I got the Frida ornament, the eyebrow keychain, the spoolies, the T-shirt, and then I got an eyebrow shadow, an eyebrow pencil, and an eyebrow liquid pen. I'm seriously so excited about this box. If you like doing your eyebrows, if you're an eyebrow lover, eyebrow fanatic like me, you need this subscription box. I think that you would absolutely enjoy it. Or if there's someone in your life that is an eyebrow fanatic that is obsessed with filling in their eyebrows, you have to get them this box. They would be so happy about it. So if you're interested in signing up, I'll have the link in the description down below. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.